Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for the facility. I'm trying out a new mouse. I'm gonna be crap. F S E doesn't work. Uh, oh my god. I can't do this when I'm typing. Hmm. Oh, by the way, I joined the Flee the Facility clan. They said I'm good enough, and it's called ftfp clan. So if anyone wants to try out, just comment on my videos, comment your username, and I'll add you and I'll try you out. It's called ftfp clan. So Flee the Facility Pros. My god, my thing. Get out of my face. No, you can't do it. No. Yes. Yes. Yes, go. Yes, 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 yes. No, you bot. Just escape. Oh, thank you. Oh my god. Escape. How are you level 124 like you? Oh my god. If you play on Nintendo Switch, looks like you are. result. Nope, I'm Aussie boy. Nope, I'm not from that country, I'm Aussie boy. Aussie, 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 oi, oi, oi. So hard with this mouse. Down it goes down. It's so bad. Oh my god, it's so hard to click. It's so hard. Oopsie daisy. She keeps playing on Nintendo Switch. Oh, backwards. Let's go. Not with this mouse. Not impressive. 8. How are you not freezing? Oh my god, my ping. What the hell is it? Oh, my ping. Oh my god, I'm so lucky. Oh my god, my mouse! God, so hard. No, wait. Just found out. Oh, I hate this mouse. Why does it have to do this to me? Oh my god. So boring. My runner doesn't work, obviously. Oh, you guys are so lucky, my mouse. If you watch my video, you'll understand me. Dude, I'm literally so bad at this mouse. Trying to get used to it. So, oh my god, that computer's done. I'm so bad at this game. I haven't played for 14 days. Oh my god. I haven't played for 14 days. You can't judge me. Just to play this game every day. It's so boring now. Like, I just game bot lobbies all the time except for now. Like, this is not too bad. But if my mouse was working, these guys will all be dead. Look at my previous videos. Oh my god. So laggy. How much ping am I on? Can't blame. Like, I'm not even surprised. 215 ping. Look at that. Look up here, guys. Look up here. 230, 391, 352, 398, 280, 255, 318. Oh, I just went to 1,000. 500, 413, 300, 300, blah, 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 200. 100 is normally how much ping I play on. I need 100. My mouse. Well, guess what? I play with ping, dude. So I would rather play on. I don't even know where I'm going. To be honest, I kind of hate this game. I kind of hate this game right now. It's so. Wow. Rage quit. Just wow. Bye, Rage. I don't care. I can't play with this ping. I'm sick of bot lobbies. Except for you, Dalen gamers. Oh my god. But the rest of you, sick of it. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.